Hey folks, good evening and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you, and I have my awesome friends here, Shane and Mitch. It's a little chilly out today, guys, so you're a little cold, but it's a good day. The sun is out. I mean, it was out. So we are out here with a Losi Mt10 that Shane has, and Mitch owns a Rustler Vxl, and we're gonna have some fun here in the park in Winnipeg. So I hope you guys today enjoy the video. Thanks for tuning in RC Overdose. Oh yeah! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Accident. Everything's good though? Everything is good. Let's check the Losi. Yeah, everything looks good. Good to go, bro. It's good to go. Whoa! Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Thanks for tuning in RC Overdose and stay tuned for more content. Have a great day. Peace. Later, man. Oh.